Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside settings because that's where system language lives. First, unlock your iPhone and tap settings. Once done, scroll to General and tap it. You do this now because language options are nested in General, not Display. Make sure your device has at least 10% battery or stay plugged in to avoid interruption. If you use screen time restrictions, temporarily disable them. They can hide language options. This sets up the correct pathway for the next steps. Now tap Language and Region to see the current language and available choices. This area controls both language and regional formats. Tap Add Language and pick your desired language from the list. iOS downloads and prepares the change. Once the language appears, drag it to the top of the list to set it as primary, or tap it and confirm use. Doing this updates app text, keyboard suggestions, and regional formats so the phone matches your preference across the system. Finish by confirming the language change when prompted. The interface reloads and may briefly appear to restart while preserving your data. Make sure to check keyboards and app-specific language settings in apps that allow their own language override. If some text still appears in the old language, go back to Language and Region and reapply or remove extra languages. If the change fails, reset language and region settings and restart the iPhone. That resolves most stuck or partially applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.